reading again, this could be a contribution to why we're getting so far. We're having a value of control, this way, right, and that's about it. So then that way, we're not moving it. We're not going to move on, there's no risk of that. So this is just getting it, and then work is
okay, so that's what I'm going to ask you, what so we know what's going to happen. So what she has stated that she has people that are going to help her move. So I don't know if they're going to be moving the person to go to the new position. Yeah. One thing I do want to let, I know she did mention today that she wanted to get some stuff out, so I spoke to the kids at the door, so she's going to have something today, because I just feel like this kind of time where we're going to be sitting here, so hopefully our game plan is to have her already set up today at the unit over there, so tomorrow when she checks out, she can especially you guys can start already tomorrow.
Yeah, and on my end, what we're really going to do is, kind of what we're talking about is, we're just going to change around, we're going to classify.
So the bedroom didn't get separate.
We did it, we can see what it was in the second area. Now, I will have sisters there, so they can't get it out, but during our work, we really don't want anybody in here to be.
Well, contamination.
Yeah, I have a negative running like 24 hours. And, that's that last day. We'll be done with work, so we want one full air spray, right, on everything. And that's the same. The bathrooms are going to be their own separate. So if anything was to fail, we are ready to go. We know exactly where that is.
You get isolated.
We're creating 4 tables. Hopefully there was probably
So as far as content, I mean, are we going to say that it's everything here in the kitchen?
So first content's good, right? I mean, anything that's good, right? I mean, I'm gonna dump the session, right? I'm gonna move it out of my way. I need to get everything that's gonna prevent me from getting that wall. I'm gonna stay off that wall, right? I can do something off that wall in the kitchen. The second